Dummy. Bitch, I'm back, I could never miss a beat. I would never miss a nigga, I cut off, he missing me. Like, bitch, are you kidding me? I'm a player, this is me. We not locking lips, but he still kissing ass and kissing feet. Oh God, I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love the head and I think it's lovely. Ayy, and he a slut, so he could never judge me.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Okay, it's your girl Zy. So we're doing like a cute little unboxing today. Maybe I can get a thumbnail. So we got this cute little box here, and can y'all see that? Right, okay. And I pretty much got this stuff from Sam's Beauty. So it's like an online, like I would say a beauty supply store. I'm going to link it down below. You can get wigs, you can get like a lot of stuff, but I got some goodies. And so my intention was to get some hair to do like some mini twists and like some extensions, because my hair, it has some length to it, but it's not that long, and some areas are like shorter than the other and stuff like that. So I just wanted some length. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm going to show you guys what I got from Sam's Beauty. Okay, right on up. So I got quite a few things. I'm so excited. I got quite a few things, y'all. So this is how the inside looks, as you can see. All right, so let's get into it. Some of the stuff came in separate packages, it looks like, but all right. So first I got this spray bottle. I've been needing a spray bottle for my hair. This is just a 12-ounce spray bottle. I think this was $1, so that was a good deal. I got 2 of the Dove Nourishing Body Care Beauty Cream. These were both $1 each, and the reason I got 2 is because I use this as a face moisturizer. And so Dove body cream in store is like $5, like $5.99, $6.99. Girl, I be getting from Dollar Tree, honey. They out. So I have to get this. Like when I saw it, I was like, let me stock up. Okay, I got 2 matte liquid eyeliners. This is the brand She Makeup. So these were also $1 each. That's how it looks, the little applicator. So I got 2 of these because the eyeliner that I got recently, it dried out. So whatever. Got 2 of those. Let me make sure these are closed, honey, because we don't have time. Okay, moving right along. I got some goodies head wrap all day wear. So these are like the big long stretchy bands. It has a mix of brown and black. So I got these for when I do my little Afro puff with my real hair, and if I want to put a cute little style with the mini twist. So I got that. These were $1 as well. Some of this stuff was $1, some of it was like 79¢. I'm going to either put it on the screen or like tell y'all if it's an invoice in here. Okay, I got these bobby pins. So these are the jumbo bobby pins. These are the 2-inch bobby pins. Real cute. So I got the colored ones. That wasn't my intention, but that's pretty much all they had in stock, and I like them. They give like fall colors, so I think I could do some really cute styles with these. Right. I got some black flat elastic holders. I got the flat kind this time. These were $1 as well. I just feel like they're a little thicker and they'll hold up like on my hair. Okay, I got this silky satin bonnet. So this is like a longer bonnet. I already have a bonnet. It's leopard print, but y'all seen it before, but it's not long and I don't want to stretch it out, like. So I got this. This was $1. So I just needed a new little bonnet, and it's really long. It's real long. It's cute though. So yeah, I got that. $1. I feel like this was a steal. The sand on it is real cheap, but you know, as long as you're trying to keep your hair protected. So this was $1. That was a good little deal. Okay, I got a pintail comb. Let's check what's in here. Oh, okay. Then I also got these Dr. Wonder Tingling Deep Conditioning Treatment. I got 4 of these. I thought I had 3. I don't know. But I got 4 of these. And I really like these little deep conditioning treatments. I'm definitely going to need these when I take the mini twists out of my head, because I'm going to keep my hair moisturized with these mini twists. But I just want to make sure my hair is just very moisturized and I don't lose hair. Okay? Yeah, so we got this. And then I got this SLF Scalp Massager. I think this was like $2.99. This shit open. It's like $2.99, girl. Good little steal, good little deal. I wanted to get something that I felt like was a little more durable. And I'm happy I chose this. So this is silicone. The dollar ones are just all plastic. And also you can hold this in your hand. This is gonna be so good for my wash days, y'all. Like, it takes me forever to wash my natural hair, so this is gonna come in handy, girl. Getting up in that scalp, girl, massaging real good. And then we use the little tingling deep conditioning. Get it up in there. Ooh, bitch, I can't wait. So yeah, I got that. And they have different colors, but I decided to get blue. Usually I get pink stuff, but pink or black, but I guess it don't matter. Nobody's gonna see this. And then for the grand finale, this is what I really actually ordered from them for. I got this hair. So I got 4 packs of this. 4 packs. And this is the Outre X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist in 24-inch. And I got a color 1B. All 4 packs are 1B. So the reason I got 4 packs is because I plan on taking this 1 pack and hopefully using it for my whole head. Because the first set of twists I want them to be kind of short. And then if I want them longer next time or whatever, I just want to have extra packs. You see, like, I don't know. I just be buying in bulk. I do that all the time. I've been doing it since I was a kid. I get that from my mama. But I just like to be stocked up on stuff so I don't have to worry about having to spend money later. Just get everything I need now. And yeah. So I got this. And then I also have other packs of hair too. They are similar to the little Springy Afro Twist hair. So if this isn't enough, I can just mix it. But this should be enough. Well, not cut it. I was gonna say cut it 4 times. Cause I really want it to be short. Like, I like how short my afro is. So I still want it to like be short. Y'all gonna see when I get it. But yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I got from Sam. That's everything I got from Sam's Beauty. That was a really good little haul, y'all. So I'm gonna put the link to the website down below where you can get this. Make sure you check out my Amazon storefront so you guys can see where I get my nail care stuff, my nail polishes, just everything, little beauty products, and most importantly, my camera equipment, because I've had some people ask me about that. So make sure y'all check it out, girl. I'm gonna put it all down below. Make sure you like this video, okay? Give it a thumbs up, even if you hate it, bitch. If you hate me, give me a thumbs down, bitch. You know, move those fingers in the comment section. Let me know how y'all liking my makeup today. Head over to TikTok, girl. I posted a cute little video, honey. We're in her content era, girl. I posted a cute little video of me doing this makeup. These glasses are from Glam. Get into those cheetah print. Check that out. That's in the description down below as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.
Mwah. No balls.